Hi, welcome to Aspire Systems e-commerce testing video series. I'm Naveen Srinivasan and I'm associated with Aspire Systems as a senior consultant for retail testing practice. In this video series, we'll be talking about what challenges retailers face and how we would resolve them using innovative testing solutions like hyper testing and agile testing end-to-end testing solution. According to market research conducted last year, global e-commerce sales are expected to eclipse at 3.5 trillion by 2019. In 2015, researchers were expecting the internet to account for 7.3% of total global retail sales, while the number has ballooned to 12.4% by 2019. Well, that's good news for retailers, but growing sales can always invite higher challenges, and retailers have to provide customers with higher user experience. An e-commerce website can make it or break it. I say this because the decision-making power of a customer depends on the e-commerce website despite of him purchasing it online or at his store. Now as a retailer, you need to ask yourself these questions. Am I testing my e-commerce website enough before go live? To provide competitive user experience, you need to make brisk changes to your website in the name of functionality or the content almost every day. This leads to frequent builds and frequent testing cycles, which means you require huge testing effort within a short span of time. All this would result in a high probability of human error. A faster time to market is key to any business, and with the right test strategy and right technology, we can bring the right product at the right time to the market. Secondly, is my e-commerce website compatible with both web and mobile devices for various OS combinations? Omnichannel commerce has been a retail buzzword for many years. Though it has brought a lot of customer visibility and revenue to the retailers, it has also made them lose millions of dollars every year. To ensure seamless user experience, compatibility testing needs to be done for both web and mobile applications. But this would result in increased complexity due to multi-device and OS combinations. 45% of merchants and suppliers have lost more than $1 million in revenue due to cross-channel commerce challenges, and more than 1 in 10 have lost more than $3 million. 50% of shoppers not only want to buy online, but also desire to pick up the same product at their store. 71% of in-store shoppers use their smartphones to research products. Am I incurring huge cost of quality? The ongoing pressure to hit the market with the right product enhancement has put the retailers to invest a lot in the 11th hour, making them increase the cost of quality. The next point would be, are my third-party modules for payments and other functions positively impact the user experience? Testing numerous integration touchpoints to validate the transaction data will possess a lot of human error. Here is a list of the integration test points: taxation, fraud management, customer email touchpoints, product recommendations and review feeds, transactional data in backend portals, multiple payment methods and credit cards, internationalization, promotions and discounts, shipping options, artificial intelligence, and chatbots. The list is endless. Lastly, are my site visitors turning into customers? Page response time has been a very crucial element to be validated in an e-commerce website. Every time a build is being sent to QA, we must make sure that the performance is top-notch. Identifying vulnerability and security threat is almost a risk that any retailers cannot be taken because it involves a lot of customer data like debit, credit card details, and personal information. Now for the final question. In all these complex scenarios, how do I ensure high quality delivery to my customers while keeping cost at bay? Well, hyper testing is the answer. It is a tailored testing and quality engineering solution which gives you a 360-degree angle of all the components of your e-commerce and POS system, which will have a direct or indirect influence on the customer experience. Hyper testing has three major components. First, Functional testing. Hyper-testing covers testing of all layers of application, API, mobile, UI, and data related, thereby making it easy to test e-commerce, integrated system, and multi-device compatibility. Second would be tools. Hyper-testing leverages cloud-based environments for execution and mix of tested and proven open source commercial tools, and this minimizes the total cost of ownership. More importantly, hyper-testing comes with a robust test automation framework, DCAF, which is Digital Commerce Quality Framework that has inbuilt e-commerce and POS components. This helps in propelling faster time to market. The third would be non-functional testing. Hyper-testing covers security, performance, load, and availability testing, assuring better performance and a secure e-commerce website. Overall, hyper-testing is an agile testing solution that has high ROI, low TCO, better productivity, and faster time to market. It has helped many Fortune 500 retailers and specialty retailers to address their pain points and have a faster time to market with the right product. So why not yours? In our next video, we will talk in detail about Aspire's Retail Testing Framework, DCAF, Digital Commerce Quality Assurance Framework. So stay tuned.